Exclusive replacement, a Franklin brass collection, will create a fun new home improvement project, while delivering inspired bathroom decor with coordinating faucet, showerhead and bathroom accessory option. Style. Create an easy-going and comfortable atmosphere in your bathroom with this bathroom towel holder. Accomplish a relaxed, spa-like bathroom with casual bath hardware accessories. Organization. Part of everyday life, this wall-mounted towel holder brings order and style to the bathroom. Long-lasting. Has a durable, long-lasting finish to help prevent corrosion, tarnish or discolor, so you can enjoy a look you love for life. Installation. Installation instructions and hardware included. This replacement bar works with most 24-inch towel bars. The bar is easy to install and coordinates perfectly with other bathroom fixtures. Top reviews from the United States. Does the job. Exactly what we were looking for, as no hardware store stock these anymore. Perfect for ceramic embedded holders in the shower, as the alternative would have been to remove the holders and probably fracture surrounding tiles. Notwithstanding the complexity of reinstalling, the high cost and low quality replacements available on the market today. Would have preferred a bulkier and sturdier size in case someone uses them as a support bar in the shower, but for usual hanging of washcloths or towels it is okay. Good sturdy and removable end springs make it easy to cut main bar to perfect size and replace end springs and install bar between existing end holders.